the compute capsule contains what we call the essential triplet of any computational analysis. So it contains the code, the data, and the computing environment in a single executable package. And having these three be distinct, but also held together and executable, that is really the key advantage. So these compute capsules really encompass what we see as best practices in computational research. We make a point to separate the code, the data, and the environment. So in Code Ocean, the environment is built with Docker, with pinned versions for reproducibility. So this is really optimized for day-to-day work. In many scenarios, once the environment has been built and it's up and running, the environment isn't going to change. When the code changes and when the data changes, it doesn't affect the environment. And once that Docker image has been built using Code Ocean, you'll be able to use it again and again without needing to build it from scratch every time or worry about packages no longer being supported over time. And the other fundamental technology for reproducibility that Code Ocean is built on is Git for version control. So Git is inherently built right into the platform. You'll be able to track changes, view commit history, use different branches, and more. So version control is really, really essential when it comes to collaboration and reproducibility. So going back to these capsules, you can imagine that you might have a repository of them, many, many different projects. And with the click of a button, you can reproduce the original results. You can also use capsules as templates, meaning that you can clone a capsule and then change the content inside. For example, keeping the environment and the code the same and simply changing out the data set. Or perhaps keeping the environment and the data set the same and then making changes to the code. So this really allows you to build new results on top of previous work without starting over from scratch. All capsules and their associated results can be versioned, they are traceable, and they are reproducible.